just had to show you. Look at how cute. Oh my God, look at how cute it is. And look. Oh my God, look. I'm going to give you a closer-up look. Look at how the water's already working and boiling. You go ahead, Hamilton Beach. All right. Give me some hot water for some damn hot chocolate because it's cold in this freaking house with all these windows. Yes, you do that. Started working a couple of seconds ago. And look at how cute it is lit up. Look, I got a little light on and stuff. Yes. And then this is how you turn it on. Y'all see that? Y'all see that from right there to there? Bam, I'm turning it off, right? It looks like it's still going. Bam, on. Oh my God, that's too cute. Wanted to show you that. Okay, be back. Love y'all.